Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here from Macmedics again. Nothing ticks me off more when other repair shops just grab people's money. So we have two rules of thumb for service at Macmedics. Rule number one, never spend more than the machine is worth. And rule number two, never spend more than 50% of the replacement cost of a new machine. So I have this machine right here. We've all seen these before. This is a 27-inch 2011 iMac. It's a good machine back in its day. Now, a customer just brought this in because the machine's dead, and it's probably dead due to a well-known video card issue that resulted in a quality program from Apple back in the day. The crazy thing is, this machine's only worth maybe $100 on a good day, but another repair shop that I've heard of before up near Baltimore charged this customer over $600 to replace a logic board on a 2011 iMac that isn't worth $100. That ticks me off. That gives all repair shops a bad name. Now, I'm never going to just grab your money and do the repair. I'm always going to walk you through the process of what I would do, and I would never fix this machine. It's too old. We expect maybe 10 years out of a Mac, but after 10 years, it's probably time for a new Mac. Now, this customer is running some older software, so maybe they would like another 2011 iMac, which I can probably provide with a caveat for around $50 to $100, but fixing this makes no sense. Also, a sad story, this customer also paid over $1,000 for data recovery at some point. So just another reason to back up your data so that you don't have to deal with data recovery down the road. And using data recovery as a mode of rescuing your data isn't 100% reliable. There's a chance that I can't get your data, and there's a chance that the people above me, like Drive Savers, can't get your data. And it can be enormously expensive. Anyways, back up your data, and if you need some assistance with deciding whether something's worth repairing or not, just call me at Macmedics and I'll walk you through the logic of whether it's better to replace or repair. And with new Mac Minis, you can buy an M2 Mac Mini for $600. That'd be a great way to help this customer get a new machine. She already has the mouse and keyboard. All she needs to do is buy a monitor, and you have what we call a poor man's iMac that would be approximately 12 times the processing power of what this guy has. Anyways, stay safe out there and back up your data.